sleep on our turf. You gotta pay the rent, old man.
Hey, leave him alone!
You don't know how you did that, do you? Allow me to explain. Throughout history, there have been warriors called knights. I believe Athena would save the world. Whenever Athena is in danger, the knights come into existence. This is your destiny.
Pegasus! Ryushingen! We have to attack together!
I should have killed you earlier. If we die together.